Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Electronics. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Fnirsi DMT 99 digital multimeter. This multimeter promises a lot with its high-definition TFT screen, intelligent automatic recognition, and multiple measurement modes. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's see what's inside the box. We have the Fnirsi DMT 99 digital multimeter itself, a testing probes, a charging cable, a user manual, and a nice packaging box. The multimeter feels solid and well built, which is always a good sign. The first thing you'll notice is the 2.4-inch full-color TFT screen. It's bright and clear, making it easy to read measurements even in dimly lit areas. The buttons are well placed and responsive, giving a good tactile feel. Let's talk about the build quality. The Fnirsi DMT 99 is constructed with a durable plastic casing that feels robust and sturdy. The rubberized edges provide extra grip and protection against drops. The buttons are made of high-quality materials and have a satisfying click when pressed. Overall, it feels like a premium device that can withstand regular use in various environments. Now, let's talk about the features. The Fnirsi DMT 99 comes with intelligent automatic recognition, which means it can automatically detect and measure voltage, resistance, and diodes without needing to switch modes. It also offers multiple measurement modes, including voltage, resistance, capacitance, diodes, current, frequency, temperature, NCV-induced voltage, and live wire detection. Testing various functions of the multimeter. Let's put it to the test. We'll start with voltage measurement. Let's test AC voltage. The multimeter accurately measures the AC voltage, showing stable readings on the display. Let's test DC voltage. The multimeter quickly and accurately measures the battery voltage. Next, let's test resistance. The multimeter shows correct value of the resistor. Again, it performs flawlessly. The capacitance measurement is also spot on. The multimeter accurately displays the exact value of capacitor. Let's move on to diode testing. The multimeter correctly identifies the diode's forward voltage drop, confirming its functionality. For continuity testing, the DMT 99 gives a clear, audible beep and visual indication, making it easy to identify continuity in circuits. Next, we'll test the frequency. The DMT 99 provides precise frequency measurements, which is great for various electronic applications. One of the handy features is the NCV, non-contact voltage, and live wire detection. The multimeter detects live wires without direct contact, ensuring safety during electrical work. The Fnirsi DMT 99 Multimeters hold feature allows you to freeze the current reading on the display for easy reference. Simply press the hold key to activate or deactivate this function. Battery life. The multimeter is powered by a built-in 1500 mAh lithium battery, which can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. It charges via a Type-C port, making it convenient to recharge. Pros and cons. Let's summarize the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Fnirsi DMT 99 offers a bright and clear display, intelligent automatic recognition, multiple measurement modes, and a long battery life. On the downside, it might be a bit pricey for some users, and the user manual could be more detailed. Conclusion. Overall, the Fnirsi DMT 99 digital multimeter is a solid choice for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers a great combination of features, performance, and usability. If you're in the market for a new multimeter, this one is definitely worth considering. You can find the buying link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and unboxings. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time, happy measuring.